Alright, first thing I do, we have to remove the wheel. Alright guys, we're gonna need these tools right here so you can remove the inner tie rod on this Chevy Impala 2007. So this tools right here is pretty cool, man. I've been using this for a while. Alright. So we just gotta find the right one. Right one that just boom, there. Just gotta direct fit it, whatever fit. If it fit, that one fit. So you gotta use that right there. Bam. Put this in right there. You just gotta spin it until it snap in. Kind of like that. Alright. So that's the one fit. So we're gonna use it. Alright. Yeah, put it in there. Make sure it fit right in. Push this clip right here. Oh.